A relation pi from C to R is defined by x pi y if and only if mod x is equal to y. So here a relation pi is defined from C to R. C is a complex numbers to real numbers defined by x is related to y if and only if mod x is equal to y. And the options are given 2 plus 3i is related to 13, 3 is related to minus 3, 1 plus I related to 2, and I is related to 1. And before solving this, we need to know about mod of any complex number. So mod of x plus iy is equal to under root of x square plus y square. So coming to the first option A, 2 plus 3i. So mod of 2 plus 3i is equal to under root of 4 plus 9, which is equal to root 13. So mod of 2 plus 3i is related to root 13, but in the given option it is given 13. So we can say that first option is wrong. And second option, 3 is related to minus 3. So here x is equal to 3. So mod 3 is nothing but 3, but it is not equal to mod 3 is not equal to minus 3. So we can say that second option also wrong. And coming to the third option, 1 plus I. So mod of 1 plus I is equal to under root of 1 plus 1, which is equal to root 2, but it is not equal to 2. Since it is given 1 plus I is related to 2, so third option also fails. And coming to the fourth option, I mod of I is equal to under root of 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. So which is equal to I is, which implies here I is related to 1. So we can say that option